Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Shopify balance card. First, ensure your Shopify store is active and operating in an eligible region, like the United States. You'll need to meet specific criteria, including having a valid business and verifying your identity. The balance card is designed to help you manage your business finances directly within your Shopify admin, offering a streamlined approach to your spending and earnings. It's a valuable tool for any growing e-commerce venture. Applying for your balance card is straightforward and integrated directly into your Shopify admin. Simply head over to the Finances section and look for Balance. From there, you'll be guided through a few easy steps to set up your account. This typically involves confirming your business details and completing a quick verification process. Once approved, your digital card is ready for immediate use, and a physical card will be mailed to you within about 10 business days. The Shopify Balance Card offers several fantastic benefits for your business. You can access your Shopify payouts much faster, often within just one business day, which significantly improves cash flow. Plus, you can earn valuable cashback rewards on eligible business expenses, helping your money go further. It also allows you to create and manage multiple virtual cards, making it simple to categorize and track spending for different aspects of your operation. Managing your balance account is incredibly convenient, all from within your Shopify admin. You can easily monitor all your transactions and current account balances at a glance. The platform also allows you to set specific spending limits for your cards and manage access for any team members, ensuring greater control over your finances. Furthermore, transferring funds between your balance account and other external bank accounts is a seamless and quick process.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.